Hi guys, and welcome back to the back channel, Keto Cooker with Ron and Lovin Keto, Ron's weight loss journey. And of course, I'm Ron. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when I post latest videos like this one. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. So please do your homework first. So today we got a little bit of ambitious today. We decided to make a flat bread pizza dough. And this particular recipe comes to you from Max's Boot Camp. I follow them religiously, like mostly everybody else that I follow on YouTube. So whenever they post a new video, I get excited. They've had this recipe out for a while. And this particular recipe, I'm going to get my glasses and you might see a reflection in the mirror. And I'm sorry about the overhead noise, and that's from the central air condition. So again, the YouTuber is called Max's Boot Camp. For this recipe, it calls for 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 eggs whisked, 1 tablespoon of oil. We used avocado oil, and we pre-weighed everything, put everything in a bowl, mixed it all in together, and then we popped it out onto a parchment paper, and then we added another parchment paper on top after we formed a little bit of a ball on top of the parchment paper. And then we flattened it out a little bit with my hand, and then I used a rolling pin over the top of the parchment paper. At that point, I had the oven preheating at 450. Peel the parchment paper off, and then I kind of like was forming it into a circular pattern, and then I some parts I needed to reshape it, and then I rolled it out again with the parchment paper to get a nice smooth surface. Popped that baby in the oven at 450 degrees in a preheated oven for approximately 10 minutes until it was nice and golden brown around the edge. And then I popped that out, and then I put some Reyes pizza sauce on there. It's really low carb weight loss. It's really good. It's got a really great macros. It's one of my favorite pizza sauces. And then I probably put about a cup of that on there. And then I had some pot bag of Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. It looked like I had a lot, but I wanted to just use up what I had because it's been here for a while. Because we don't throw anything out in the South, so we don't have to. And then I added some pepperoni as my choice of toppings, and now it came out of the oven and put a piece of foil on it. Now it's been cooling for a while. I'm going to pop the foil off. I'm going to sample it together. I got my overhead camera going, and so I just want to, it's going really good. I'm packing on a little pounds this week, but it's towards the end of the year, and we have a lot of great things planned for 2023, so be watching for my next video that I'll be posting, and we're going to be doing a year in review video. And so without further ado, let's flip the camera around to the overhead camera, and I'm going to cut the pizza, and we're going to have a bite together. And at this point, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is a cupboard foil with the, this is our pizza cupboard with foil. And this is what it looks like. You can see it's nice and golden brown. It started to darken up a little bit around the edges, and let's try to cut it and see how it cuts. I've had this plenty of times before. This is one of my favorite pieces. Now you could take it and you could cut it into two different, take the same exact ingredients and make two different pizza ball doughs out of it. And if you're a couple or a husband and wife and you want your own private pizzas or your different pizzas, that you could probably just take that and you know, each make your own. Because if somebody might not want pepperoni, somebody might want chicken or anchovies or mushrooms or anything on your top. But that's what I got today. I got Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and I got pepperoni slices today. And it cuts pretty good. I'm gonna cut them again. Okay. I just wanted to be careful when they're going to cut myself. Okay. Going to make sure you got some paper towels. Okay, so what we did was we just cut our pizza into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 slices. And I'm going to show you the what the texture looks like. It's nice and brown. I don't think it'll fall off. See, a nice and golden brown at the bottom, and then a little bit of that from crusting in the oven. Let's take a bite. Really, really good. It doesn't taste dry. It tastes nice and moist. So my question to you is, what is your favorite topping for your pizza? Mine is, I can eat plain pepperoni, onion, pepper, ground beef. I don't care for anchovies. I don't care for mushrooms. But remember, it's your pizza, and you do you, and you're the boss of your kitchen. So. So remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It does help other people know when they post videos. But yeah, just check it out. Cool, huh? If you're doing low carb weight loss keto like most of us are doing, they believe these come in at about 3 carbs a slice. So it's not. You know, it's not really that much. You can literally hit the whole pizza if you wanted to eat the whole pizza, and you're not going to gain that much weight from it. But I'll have about half of that, and I'll save the other half for another day. But yeah, just check that out. As you can see, it's holding together. It's not flopping off the top. It's fully cooked. I got Parmesan cheese, and I got mozzarella cheese, and I got pepperoni today. And that's pretty much about it. Really, really good. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love you guys.